3, 2, 1.
Hey everyone, so today we're going to do our English assignment. Let us create an awesome PowerPoint presentation using Canva.
Yep, I agree. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing all sorts of things, including presentation.
I heard of Canva, but I never use it for presentation. How do you start?
No worries, first go to the Canva website and sign up or log in. Once you're in, you will see a big button that says create a design. Click on that and then select presentation.
Okay.
Maybe take a minute.
It will take a minute, right?
Okay, we're done.
Right, we're in.
Hold on. Okay, cool. So we're in the presentation section. What do we do next?
Now you got to pick a template. There are lots of options for different styles and topics. Just click on the template you like and it will open up with a bunch of slides. I'm gonna choose this one.
Okay, that's cool, but what if I want to change the text on the slide?
Easy peasy. Just click on the text box and you can start typing. If you want to change the font, size and color, look up at the top where there are options for the text editing.
Okay, nice. What about adding images? Can I use my own pictures?
Totally! You can click on the Elements tab on the left and slide down and you'll find a library image. And then if you want to use your own photos, click the Upload tab. Just drag the image onto the slide and it'll fit into the placeholder.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's neat. But what if we want to add more slides to our presentation?
No problem at all. On the right panel, you will see a button that says add a new page. Click that and you can choose a new layout for your new slide.
Okay, that's pretty amazing. So we learned how to add text, add images, but I've seen presentation with cool animation. Can we do that in Canva?
Absolutely. Just click on the animate button on the top left corner and you will find some animation options to make your presentation more dynamic.
Okay, got it. But what if we want to work on this presentation as a group?
Good questions. On the top right, you will see a button that says share. If you can invite the others by adding their email addresses, and with this way everyone can contribute and edit together.
Alright, so when the presentation is all done, how can we present it to the class?
Great question. Click on the present button on the top right corner and you can click it and you can navigate through your slide. If you need to present it offline, you can download it as a PowerPoint file. Here's the choice.
Okay, that's pretty awesome, and it is pretty user-friendly, but how much does it cost?
Well, there's a free version with a lot of features, but there's also some premium elements that might require a subscription or one-time purchase.
Okay, cool. Hey, thanks for showing us how to use Canva for presentations. This is gonna be super helpful.
You're welcome.
man.
And don't forget, the more you play around with it, the more creative you will get.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Bang, okay.